Good morning, everyone. This is Greg Finn, Camel River Guide Service, and welcome to a beautiful day here on Lake Sam Rayburn. I sure wish you was with us today, but the next best thing to being with us is watching us. And I got two neat guys here today. They're experienced crappie fishermen. This is Jim Collins. He's from Bastrop, Texas. And this is an old Lufkin boy, Stan Holtz, that now lives in Beaumont. And we're tickled to death to have him here today. We're going to do a little crappie fishing, and we've been doing real well, even though we're right at a full moon stage. And you know what that means. They do feed at night, so sometimes the bite is a little bit better later in the day. But we've been doing real well. We caught 75 the last 2 days, as you know, and we're going to see what we can do today. So that's enough talk. We're going fishing. Enjoy the show. This is Greg Finn, and remember, this is Camel River Guide Service. Got him. Come on, bring him in close. Come on in here. Good? No, boy. Oh boy, he swung at your, that's a big one. I see him, he's big.
Wait a minute.
He looks bigger than he was.
Okay.
Bring him, he wasn't no bad. That's a good fish there too, I believe.
He didn't bite at all. It just got heavy.
I don't think he'll keep. Yeah, sometimes your line just loads up, you know. Y'all got all kinds of fish right there. Come on, let's get them. There's one.
Oh, what a fish.
Come on, let's go. Let's get them. Stay in here.
Oh, that's a good one, cuz.
But now, I mean, it ain't like it's supposed to be, and there ain't very big ones. Got him? Why is the boat? Why's my line going sideways? Keeper? Yeah. Speaker of the House, same time Lyndon Johnson was well before Lyndon. He was Speaker of the House when Kennedy was in there. Actually, even when there you go. Dang, it's about time.
Finally got the
He's a keeper. Put him in the box. Or is it a bar fish?
That's a big one.
Oh, he raised him up, yeah. That's what I thought. Well, we're going to head them on in, folks. We got about 40. We didn't quite get a full limit, which sometimes you just can't, but it's a full moon. They bit light. We were on fish everywhere we went today, but sometimes they just don't want it. I personally was using a 16th ounce pink head jig with a tip with a minnow. Our guest today used some chartreuse, and they caught them too. So I don't think it was a matter of what you put down there today. A lot of it was presentation and just trying to coax them in the bite. We noticed they get a little hit, and then they'd stop, and then we'd raise it up real slow and then hold it. And a lot of times they would come on up and suck it down, but they were doing like my daddy used to say, they suck it on it, Gregory. they're not biting on it, so they're not giving you a hard thump. But we ended up with a box full of fish, and I guess my people here were happy, and that's what all that matters. So we'll holler at you later. If you hadn't subscribed yet, take a peek down there in that left-hand corner, that little icon, click on it and hit the subscribe button. You'll get some nice fishing episodes 2 or 3 times a week. Until next time, this is Greg Finn, and this is Camel River Guide Service.